In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template within your Pandadoc account. Pandadoc is a versatile tool for creating, editing, and sending documents with ease. Whether you're preparing a contract, proposal, or any type of document, using templates can save you valuable time and effort. Let's dive right into how you can efficiently edit these templates to best suit your needs. First, you'll need to log into your Pandadoc account. Just head over to the website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and select Templates. This section contains all the templates you have created or have access to, serving as the library for all your regularly used documents. Now, browse through your collection and find the specific template you want to modify. Once you've identified the correct one, click on it to open it for editing. Here's where the real work begins, and I promise it'll be a breeze. To make changes to the text, simply click on any text block within the template. This intuitive feature allows you to edit directly in the document, making quick adjustments to wording or information as necessary. Feel free to update terms, conditions, or any pertinent data that needs to be current. Perhaps you need to add interactive elements to the document, like signature fields, dates, or checkboxes. This is easily done using the right side panel. Just select the field you wish to add and drag and drop it onto your template. This gives your document the flexibility and functionality required for a seamless client interaction. Now, say you need to adjust who receives the document or even the roles they will play in the process. At the top of your interface, you'll find a Roles button. Click on this to edit your recipient roles accordingly. This helps streamline the signing process and ensures that everyone involved knows exactly where they fit in. Variables are another fantastic feature Pandadoc offers, allowing for autofill capabilities. To create and insert these, click Variables on the right side panel. With these, you can automate the insertion of names, dates, and other custom values, ensuring your documents remain personalized and accurate. You might use something like client.name to automatically fill in your client's name throughout the template. To further organize your template, use the page menu on the left to rearrange or even duplicate pages. This feature is perfect for making structural changes, adding a section, or reorganizing content to better fit your needs. The seamless nature of Pandadoc ensures that all your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to worry about hitting a save button. Every modification you make is instantly secured. Your progress is continually updated, allowing you to edit stress-free. And that's it. You've successfully edited your template. With these steps, you can now efficiently make any necessary changes to your Pandadoc templates, making your document workflow both effective and convenient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.